Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a transaction in YNAB. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your YNAB app and then tap on transactions right here. Okay, tap on it. Now what you got to do next is just fill in the amount, the pay, the category, and is it an outflow or inflow? Okay, so for example, outflow, I'm going to go ahead and add in $500 like so. Choose the pay. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and choose a travel right here. Okay. Now choose a category, travel as well. Under my wants, like so, and select the date. Most importantly, the date. Okay. In here, what you got to do is just, of course, select the month. For example, for next month, I'm going to go ahead and add in 15. Done. Scroll down. Now we have here repeat. Okay. Or never repeat. Tap on it and go ahead and add in maybe repeat it twice a month or monthly, yearly. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and add it monthly. And once that's done, tap on save. Okay. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, scheduled transactions appears in the schedule section of your account register. You go ahead over to accounts right here. Tap on it again. Going to go ahead and select my wallet. We have here scheduled. Okay. Now in the future, if you wanna edit it, just tap on it, and here you have the editing section. And once done, you could also add in some notes, memos, as it states here. Any details that you want, could be a number, ideas, okay, whatever you want. Right? If you want to delete it, just tap on delete right here. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.